Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are having another challenging and interesting question from algebra. X cube is given equal to square root 17,069 minus square root 1,444. X is real and we have to find out X. So let's get started by writing factors of 17,069 and factors of 1,444. Let us write x cube will be equal to square root 13 times 101 minus 1444 38 times 38. So this we can write 13 times square root 101 minus 38. This is equal to x cube and x cube is positive. So for real values of x, we can write x must be positive. We will reject those values of x where x is negative. Now I will consider y cube. It is equal to 13 square root 101 plus 38. Now we have two equations, x cube and y cube. Now I will subtract second one from first equation. So I can write x cube minus y cube value. This will be equal to minus 38 minus 38. So minus 76. This equation I will call equation 1. Let's check product also. So x cube times y cube. I can write 13 square root 101 minus 38 times 13 square root 101 plus 38. Now this is a minus b times a plus b written. So we can apply the difference of two squares identity. So 13 square root 101 whole square. And then b is 38. So I can write minus 38 whole square. Now this value will be 17,069 and this value is 1,444 and left hand side it is xy whole cube. So I'll be writing xy whole cube. This difference is 15,625 and this is whole cube of 25. Left hand side we have xy whole cube. After taking cube root, I can write xy will be equal to 25. Now I will be writing our first equation, x cube minus y cube equal to minus 76. Let's apply a cube minus b cube formula. So a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab equal to negative 76. I can write x minus y. Here I can write it is x minus y whole square and then plus 2xy and plus xy, so plus 3xy equal to negative 76. Now xy is 25, so we will apply here. So x minus y times x minus y whole square plus 3 times 25, 75 equal to minus 76. Now this will generate one cubic equation. In A, once I will give substitution x minus y equal to A. Let us use substitution. So I will write x minus y equal to A. Let. Then I can write A times A square plus 75. It is equal to minus 76. Or A cube plus 75A plus 76 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation in A, and A was x minus y. Now I can see if I will plug in A equal to negative 1 directly, then I will get minus 1 minus 75 plus 76. So this is providing us right hand side 0. That means A equal to minus 1 is one solution to this cubic equation. Or I can write A plus 1 is one factor of this cubic equation. So I can use the remainder theorem. So I will write A cube plus 75A plus 76 equal to 0. Now I can write A square times this factor A plus 1. What is extra? It is A square. So I will write minus A square. Remaining terms as it is equal to 0. Now same task I will apply to the second term minus A square. I will write minus A times that factor A plus 1. So what is extra? Minus A. To compensate minus A, I need to add A plus 75A plus 76 equal to 0. Or I can write A square A plus 1 minus A plus 1 plus these two will be 76A. So let us take 76 common. A plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can take A plus 1 common. So it will become A plus 1 times A square minus A plus 76 equal to 0. So conclusion becomes A plus 1 will be 0 or A square minus A plus 76 will be 0. So from this equation we can generate A equal to minus 1, and which is true and real. Now come to this quadratic equation. I will check only discriminant. This formula is b square minus 4 times AC. So b is minus 1. Minus 1 is square minus 4 times. This is 1 and C is 76. Which will be 1 minus 4 times 76. It will be 304. So this value is coming out negative. That means this quadratic will generate complex solutions or complex values. So we can reject this. So we will be accepting only A equal to negative 1. And A was our substitution. It was x minus y. So let me write our equation here. X minus y equal to negative 1 and x times y equal to 25. Now we have to solve this system for the value of x. So from second equation, I can write the value of y. So y will be equal to 25 over x. And I will apply in equation 1 here. So I will write here x minus 25 over x equal to negative 1. Multiply both sides by x. So x square minus 25 equal to negative x, or x square plus x minus 25 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. I can use quadratic formula. So let us use quadratic formula. X square plus x minus 25 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus b, so minus 1 plus minus. Under the root b square, 1 square is 1, minus 4ac. So 4 times 25, 100 with plus sign. divided by 2a, so 2 times 1, 2. Minus 1 plus minus is square root 101 divided by 2. So I can write x will be equal to square root 101 minus 1 over 2 with plus sign, and with minus sign minus 1 minus square root 101 divided by 2. Now there was condition on x. This x must be always greater than 0. As x cube is positive, so x must be positive for real solutions. So we will reject this solution. So accepted x value will be square root 101 minus 1 over 2. And this is the end of the video. Thank you friends for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself and bye bye.